Hi there, this is George Kosh, and welcome to another training video to help you out with creating squeeze pages from any of the over 300 products in the PLR product vault. I added this here so that you could take advantage of our design number 36, which is part of your landing page builder, which you can always go into and manually set any of these up, but I thought it would be just as easy to be able to scroll down and find a particular PLR product using the search area up here near the top of the page. And when you found something that you wanted to give away to generate leads, you could simply just click on that button right away and get started. So what I want to do is I'm just going to pick one of these at random. There's all kinds of different products here, but we're going to do this one. It's called, let's do this one, HTML for Beginners. And again, this works with every one of them, and I'm just going to show you how easy this is. You click Create Squeeze Page, and immediately you'll see a note here that says your PLR product vault image will be automatically entered after you enter your directory above. And then remember to set up the rest of the page after you click the Create Landing Page button above. So what this is really doing is I'm going to call this PLR 3, and I'm going to create the landing page. And you can see immediately it's on your domain name. This is your landing page on your site. And let's take a look and see what we've created. So what you can see here is we've grabbed the title of the package. We've also grabbed the description of it and just put it in here in a certain font. We've got the name, email, get it free, and note, you'll be signed up as a World Profit Associate member. And this is just so that other associates don't sign up for this. Your goal is to send this out to safelists and exchanges as per the bootcamp training, the very first video, and we don't want to sign up more associates that are already associates. However, you can customize this page now. So if we go back to the landing page builder, there is a help video up here for this landing page builder. However, I can just show you a few quick things here. You'll notice that I've put the description in headline 2, which can be changed. You can even change the top part. You can add extra headlines here. I probably would leave this note in, which is handy so that other associates don't sign up. Go down in here and we can add a background image. So you could click on the background images and customize it a bit. Just to make it simple, I'll grab this first one here, and you'll see if I hit the refresh, I now have a background. And I can change the opacity of this. I can do pretty much anything I want to this within the bounds of this landing page builder. You can even see down here we can change the width of the opt-in box, the color of the opt-in box, make it any color that you want. You can get a little funky with like a purple color here. Change this box to a little bit darker. Show your nav bar, change the color of the button that people click to get signed up. You can even put tracking code, chat code, anything that you want in here. And again, you could get a little bit more detail on what you can do up here on this training video. But you can see my final copy looks really nice. I've got some nice colors in here, and you can go from there. This is going to sign associates up into the program under you, and all done through your World Profit hosted domain name. If you have any questions or any issues at all, always feel free to fill out a support ticket, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks a lot.